Howdy, welcome to London Creative. I'm Nick and this is Solo. And today, well, I need your help. Howdy, how are you all doing? I'm Nick, this is London Creative, and that's my 3D printer that I got as a Christmas present. It was like 3 months ago now, it seems to have flown past. And when I got it, I was like, cool, set it all up, got it all working, did a video, which will be up there. Should you want to see my first impressions of the EasyThreed V2 3D printer. And then I thought, did the test print, which is the vase, which came out really nice, really good quality. And so I went on to Hero Forge and tried to make up one of my own characters and download the ST file. And also, when you join up to that, you get given freebies, little test things to try out. So I did that and I tried to print out this thing. Well, I don't even know what it is. It's a little bit chewy and a bit torn out and a bit destroyed. I'm trying to cover it up so you can see. It's very mottled and very delicate. Her arm just fell off. Not its arm. It is now a one-armed, I don't know, book reader, librarian, navigator, something. And that arm's about to fall off too. But that's the problem. The problem is, it seems very, very stringy and very mottled. I also had a paladin, and that's printed okay. It's a bit larger, it's a bit bigger than, in comparison to a Warhammer figure, a 28mm figure, it's quite a bit bigger. But if you notice, the detail isn't missing. It's not got much in the way of features and whatever. And that's my question. Why? Went on to Hero Forge to make my own character, my leader of my new chapter of Space Marines. And this is her. But if you'll notice, once again, there's no features. The face is completely devoid of any features whatsoever. And that was the original version, and it's tiny compared to that was like the first. And it's very, very messy. So I changed the settings for this one and went on to Facebook profile, I think, but that didn't really do very much. It just made it take longer to print. I've even printed a full large size and it took like 6 hours to print, but you can see the detail. There is like the barest minimum of a feature of a face, but everything is very bitty. It needs to be sanded down. But when you see people print things, they come out and they look perfect. I mean, that's got like tufts on the top of it, look. So I've printed a number of these things, and in all different ways and manners and sizes. I mean, and I've tried spraying them, but I've not painted anything yet because it's all been a bit meh. So I need your help. This is what this video is all about. I need to know what's going on, what's wrong with this. I've tried changing settings on the printer to make them like variant on different thicknesses and different speeds and so forth. And I mean, that's not bad, but why has it got so many fluffy bits and whatever? And the raft and the supports and whatever aren't really doing a great deal to help support it. It's snapping off all over the place. But mostly, why are there no features? Why is it very bland and not giving anything? The models have got features, and I don't know. So I'm asking for help. So this video is me saying, help, please help me. Why can I not get a decent print? It's not down to the printer. The printer's doing perfectly all right, I think. It seems okay. But I'm new at this and I'm like, So if you know, please leave a comment down below. And if you don't know and you think someone else might, could you share it with them and get them to watch it? And then if you've been sent this video, can you explain, can you tell me what settings I need to set this to get detail, preferably at that size rather than this size? But yes, so far I've yet to get a decent print with any detail in it. This wasn't the video I was aiming to do this week because I aim to do something actually outside. Don't tell anyone. But I haven't had a chance to do it all and get it all together. And I had said that I was going to do something that didn't involve models for at least for a couple of videos, because I've done far too many recently. But that said, I'm now asking about models and printing. So if you know, if you can help me, if you can explain and tell me what settings I should be set at. I've probably flashed up what I have as references and what I've screenshotted and people saying what settings you should set it at and so forth. So if you know better, or if you know anything, there's more than I know, please help. Comments down below, share this with somebody. And yeah, if you are not already subscribed and you want to see if I succeed, and if you want to see me paint more Warhammer models and tell the story of our anniversary boss Sibatin, that's her, and the reason behind her name and the story, it's all growing, it's all coming out, the lore and the story behind her. If you want to know all of that, then you should hit subscribe down there and come back next time for something completely different. Now I'm going to go and take the dog for a walk and maybe do a test print of something. Until then, until next time, bye. Hello, Wigglebutt. Are you okay? Come here. Oh, God. That's it. You're going to destroy things, are you? Say hello to everyone. Hello. I'm Solo, and this is London Creative. Howdy, everybody. Welcome to London Creative with me. I'm Nick, and this is Soho. Soho? Your name's Soho?